it's Iona from Skritter. Here is one of the videos from our in-app Chinese idiom series on the Skritter app. This course teaches 25 common idioms featuring numbers, the Chinese elements, Chinese culture, and animals. Learn the writing, listen to the examples, and even practice your tones. Okay, over to you. 加油! In this lesson, we're learning an idiom to describe a mighty storm. 风雨交加 means it's raining and blowing hard, or it's wet and windy. 风 is wind, 雨 is rain. 交加 together means to happen at the same time. 风雨交加 is often used to describe actual bad weather, but you can also use it to describe the bumpy and unstable times in one's life. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. 今晚风雨交加，别出门。今晚风雨交加，别出门。There's a storm tonight. Don't go out. Example 2. 回想那段风雨交加的日子，我心里还是觉得很难受。回想那段风雨交加的日子，我心里还是觉得很难受。When I look back on those stormy days, my heart is filled with pain. Okay, next time when it's windy and rainy outside, try using this idiom. See you! Bye bye! Thanks for watching this short video. If you want access to lots more of these, use the links below. 还有记得按赞、订阅、分享，我们下次见哦，拜拜。